Okay. In the previous video we have seen how to find the equations of the lines and using symmetric form. Today we will see point of intersection. Okay. Point of intersection. Okay. This is very important method, sir. You have to remember this model. Okay. Find point of intersection of four x plus 8y minus 1 is equal to 0, then 2x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Remember the method which I am discussing is asking to find the point of intersection. This is very important method, sir, and always the equation should be equal to 0 undali, sir. Compulsory ga equation same undali, equal to 0 undali. Then point of intersection okay. Now I'll write x y 1. Okay, we have to write x y 1. X kinda you write one line, below y you write one line, below here. So what you have to write x y 1. Below x you write one vertical line, one vertical line. Now for first equation, start from y coefficient. What is the y coefficient here? 8. Okay, next what is the constant? Minus 1. So first y coefficient 8, constant minus 1, then x coefficient 4, then again 8. So 8 minus 1, 4, 8. Next what about second one? Y coefficient is what, sir? 1. Constant is 1. Then 2, 1. So what I have to do? Right below this. Now x by cross multiplication. 8 into 1, 8 minus of 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 8 into 1 minus of 1 into minus 1. Next one, y by minus 1 into 2, minus 2, minus of 4 into 1, 4. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2, 1 into 4, minus 4 is equal to 1 by 4 into 1, 4, minus 2 into 8, 16. So what I have done? 8 into 1, 8, 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Then similarly minus 1 into 2, minus 2, 1 into, always here minus sign. Eppudu ikkada minus sign undali, sir. Here always minus sign. Here also minus sign. So x by minus of minus is plus 8 plus 1, 9. Here minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6 is equal to 1 by minus 12. Again minus of minus is plus. So 8 plus 1 is 9. Similarly minus 2 minus 4 minus 6. 4 minus 16 minus 12. Therefore x is equal to 9 by minus 12 and y is equal to minus 6 by minus 12. So what I have done? 9 will come into numerator. This minus 6 means for x by 9 is equal to 1 by minus 12. So that is minus 9 by 12. This minus 6 will come. So it is becomes cancel with the 3 table. 3 3s are 3 4s are. Okay, similarly 6 table will get cancelled 1 by 2. So what is the point of intersection? Minus 3 by 4 comma 1 by 2. Okay, what is that we get? Minus 3 by 4. Verification, you can do yourself verification. I am putting the second equation. 2x plus y plus 1 is equal to verification. Every time you don't need to do, here I am just verifying. So 2 into minus 3 by 4, y is what, sir? 1 by 2 plus 1. This will be minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2 plus is 3 by 2, 0. So your equation value is right. So here again write x, y, 1. And below x you write one line, below y one line, below 1 line. And beside this line you write y coefficient. Start with the y coefficient 8, then constant, then x coefficient. Y coefficient, constant, x coefficient, again y. X, y coefficient, constant, x coefficient, y coefficient. Then x by 8 into 1, 8, 1 into minus 1, minus of minus 1, y by minus 1 into 2, minus 2, 4 into 1, 4. Always here minus sign. So minus of minus become plus. Then you get your answer. Okay, let us see 2-3 problems based on this. Next, 3x minus 4y minus 13 is equal to 0. Next one, 8x minus 11y minus 33 is equal to 0. Again, x, y, 1. First, what is that? We have to put a line here. Remember this method, sir. Here, beside this, you have to write y coefficient, minus 4. Next, constant, then 3, then minus 4. Minus 11, minus 33, 8, minus 11. Again, y coefficient, minus 4, constant, minus 13, x coefficient, 3, then minus 4 will come here. Again, y coefficient, minus 11, constant is minus 3, x coefficient here. Now, x by minus 4 into minus 33, 132. Minus of minus 11 into means 143. Minus 4 into minus 33 is 132. Okay. Minus 11 into minus 13 plus 143. But always minus sign. Here, y by minus 13 into 8 minus 104. Minus of minus 33 into 9, 3 minus 99. Minus 33 into 9 minus 99 is equal to 1 by 3 into minus 11 minus 33 minus of minus 32. So, minus 4 into minus 33 132 minus into minus plus 143, but always minus sign will be here. Then minus 13 into 8 minus 104 minus of minus 3 into minus 33 minus 99. Here 3 into 11 is 33 with minus sign minus of. So, what will happen? X by 132 minus 43 is minus 11 is equal to y by here minus of, okay, to make you understand we will write one step here, is equal to y by plus 99 is equal to 1 by minus 33 plus 32, right? Then what will happen? This will become minus 11, this will become minus 5 is equal to minus 33 plus means 1 by minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to minus 11 by 1, y is equal to minus 5 by minus 1. So, x is equal to 11, y is equal to 5. So, what is the point? 11 comma 5. Okay, what is the point of intersection? 11 comma 5. Okay, you can verify by substitution, otherwise this is not required. Okay, let us see one more problem. Next, find the point of intersection of 7x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0, x plus y is equal to 0. Now, again, point of intersection. X, y, 1. So, what is the y coefficient here? 1. We start with y coefficient, constant 3, x coefficient 7, then again 1. Y coefficient, constant, x coefficient, again y coefficient. Now, here, what is the y coefficient? 1. What about constants? There is no constant, 0. That's why I have selected here. There is no constant, we have to put 0. Next x coefficient is 1, then 1. So, x by 0 minus 3, y by 3 minus 0, then 1 by 7 minus 1. So, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 3, 3 with minus sign. Next, 3 into 1, 3, 0 into 7, 0. Next, 7 minus 1. So, this becomes what, sir? X by minus 3, y by 3, 1 by 6. Therefore, x is equal to minus 3 by 6, y is equal to 3 by 6. So, x is equal to minus 1 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 2. So, what is the point? Minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Okay, right? Just simple verification. Right. Next one is point of concurrency. For example, if two lines are there, this is called point of intersection. If more than two lines are there, this is called point of concurrency. Means so many lines are there, all of them are passing from same point. That is what we say point of concurrency. If two lines are there, it is called point of intersection. If more than two lines are there, it is called point of concurrency. Okay. Based on this, there will be show that the lines 2x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 2x plus 3 2x minus 3y minus 23 is equal to 0. First line 2x plus y minus 3, 3x plus 2y minus 2, 2x minus 3y minus 23 are concurrent and find point of concurrency. Okay, look at the procedure is same, sir. Now how many lines are there? 3 lines are there. How many lines are there? 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. What I'll do, I'll consider first point of intersection. Which one? First one? 2x plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 3x plus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. X, y, 1. 1 line, 1 line, 1 line. Again y coefficient 1, minus 3, 2, 1. 2, minus 2, 3, 2. X by minus 2, minus of minus 6. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. 2 into minus 3, minus 6. Always minus sign will come. Okay, y by minus 3 into 3, minus 9, minus of minus 4 is equal to 1 by 4 minus 3. X by plus 6, y by plus 4 is equal to 1 by 1. Therefore, x by 4 is equal to y by minus 5 is equal to 1 by 1. Therefore, x is equal to 4, y is equal to minus 5. So, what is the point we got? 4 comma minus 5. Okay. Now, he is asking to prove this concurrent. Therefore, put in 2x minus 3y minus 23. So, x is replaced by what, sir? 4. 2 into 4 minus 3 into minus 5 minus 23. So, this is 8 plus 15 minus 23. 23 minus 23 is 0. So, you got 0. Therefore, using this point, we have proved the third one equal to 0. Therefore, it is concurrent. And point is 4 comma minus 5. Okay, it is concurrent. So, what is the procedure? We have to use the same point of intersection. We have to put in the third one. Copy this. Next, find the value of find the value of P if 3x plus 4y is equal to 5, 2x plus 3y is equal to 4, px plus 4y is equal to 6 are concurrent. Now look at the solution. Why I have taken this problem? Very, very important. Gramichasa 3x plus 4y is equal to 5. So we have to write always minus 5 is equal to 0. 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Px plus 4y minus 6 is equal to 0 lines. Okay, first we will find point of intersection. Okay, 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. 2x plus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. Again, x, y, 1. Right? First y coefficient 4, minus 5, 3, 4. Y coefficient constant, x coefficient again y. Here 3, minus 4, 2, 3. X by minus 16, minus of minus 15. Y by minus 10, minus 12. 1 by 9 minus 8. So, x by minus 16 plus 15. Next one, y by is equal to 1 by 1. Therefore, x by 1, x by minus 1, y by 2 is equal to 1 by 1. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 2. So, p is equal to what, sir? Minus 1 comma 2. Since concurrent, what is the third equation? Px plus 4y minus 6. Put in Px plus 4y. So, p into x is what, sir? Minus 1 plus 4 into 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. Minus p plus 8 minus 6 is equal to 0. 0, p is equal to 2. So, here in the previous one we have equated to 0, but here we have to find a p value. Note on this. Next, find the value of p if 4x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0, 2x plus py plus 2 is equal to 0, then 6x plus 5y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now again, point of intersection. What one we have to consider? 4x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to, don't consider this, sir, you consider this. 6x plus 5y minus 1 is equal to 0. X, y, 1. Put a line, put a line, put a line. Y coefficient minus 3, minus 7, 4, minus 3. Next one, 5, minus 1, 6 and 5. Right? Y coefficient minus 3, constant minus 7, x coefficient 4, again y coefficient minus 3. Y coefficient 5, constant minus 1, 6, x coefficient 6, again minus 5. Now, x by minus 3 into 1, 3 minus of minus 35. Then y by minus 7 means minus 42 minus of minus 4. Minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 minus of 5 into minus 1 minus 35. Minus 7 into 6 minus 42 minus of minus 4 is equal to 1 by 20 minus of minus 18. So, x by 3 plus 35, y by plus 4 is equal to 1 by 20 plus 18. Therefore, x by 38, y by minus 38, 1 by 38. Therefore, x is equal to 38 by 38, y is equal to minus 38 by 38. So, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Okay. Now, since concurrent, okay, what is the last point? Put in 2x plus py plus 2 is equal to 0. What is the p point? 1 comma minus 1. Here it is minus 1. So, 2 into 1, here minus 1 will come, sir, plus p into minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. 2 minus p plus 2 is equal to 0. So, 4 minus p is equal to 0, p is equal to 4. Right? So, again same procedure. Next, 2x minus 3y plus p is equal to 0, 3x minus 4y minus 13 is equal to 0, 8x minus 11y minus 33 is equal to 0 are concurrent. Okay. Again, solution. Point of intersection. Okay, you have to consider this equation. And 0. X, y, 1. 1, 1, 1. What is the y coefficient? Minus 4, minus 13, 3, minus 4. Next step. minus 11, minus 33, 8, minus 11, right? X by minus 4 into minus 33, 132, minus 11 into 13, 143 is equal to y by minus 104 minus of minus 99 is equal to 1 by minus 33 minus of minus 32. Okay, minus 4 into minus 13, 33, 132. Minus of minus plus అవుతుంది సార్, minus sign always here also it is the same. So x by 132 minus 143 is equal to y by plus 99 is equal to 1 by minus 33 plus 32. Okay, so x by minus 11, y by minus 5 is equal to 1 by minus 1. X is equal to what, sir? 11, y is equal to minus 5 by minus 1, 5. So what is the P point? 11 comma 5. Put in, what is the equation, sir? Last equation, first equation, 2x minus 3y plus P is equal to 0. 2 into 11 minus 3 into 5 plus P is equal to 0. 22 minus 15 plus P is equal to 0. 7 plus P is equal to 0. P is equal to minus 7. Therefore, P is equal to minus 7. So, what we have seen? Point of intersection, point of concurrency. Okay, please note on this. Next. Find the area of triangle formed by lines two x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Next, x minus y plus 11 is equal to 0. X plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, I am drawing a triangle. These equations can be written anywhere, sir. Equation ekkana rasko, sir. I am writing here. 0 plus 11 is equal to 0. X plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, for A, which equations I have to consider? These two equations. What is the equation, sir? 2x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Second part, second equation, x minus 5y plus 11 is equal to 0. X, y, 1. So here, minus 1, minus 5, 2, minus 1. Minus 5, 11, 1, minus 5. Therefore, x by minus 11, minus 10. Sorry, minus 25. 1 into minus 11, minus of minus is plus, so minus 25 is equal to y by minus 5, minus 22. Minus 5, minus 22 is equal to 1 by minus 10, minus of minus 1. So, x by minus 36, y by minus 27, 1 by minus 10 plus 1 means minus 9. Therefore, x is equal to minus 36 by minus 9, 4. And y is equal to minus 27 by minus 9, 3. So, what is A point? 4 comma 3. Okay, next. For B, which equations I have to consider? These two equations. 2x minus y minus y is 5 is equal to 0. These two equations are x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Again x, y, 1. So here minus 1, minus 5, 2, minus 1. Next 1, minus 1, 1, 1. So x by 1 minus of minus 5, y by minus 5 minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 minus of minus 1. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 1 into minus 5 in the bracket. Always minus sign ikkada undali, sir. Minus 5 into 1, minus 1 into minus 2, but in the bracket. Again 2 minus of minus 1. So x by 1 plus 5, 6. Here y by minus 5 plus 2. Here to make you understand, 1 plus 5. Here 1 by 2 plus 1. So x by 6, y by minus 3, 1 by 3. X is equal to 6 by 3, y is equal to minus 3 by 3. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1. So what is the B point? 2 comma minus 1. Right? Now for C. For C, which equations have to consider? X minus 5y plus 11 is equal to 0. X plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. X, y, 1. Okay, so minus 5, 11, 1, minus 5. Next one, 1, minus 1, 1, 1. Y coefficient, constant, x coefficient. Y coefficient is minus 5, constant is 11, then constant. Okay, so x by 5 minus 11. Minus 5 into 1 minus 5 plus 5. Okay, here formula applications are y by 11 plus minus of minus 1. Again observe here, minus 5 into 1 minus plus 5 minus 11 into 1 minus 11. Similarly 11 into 1 11 minus of minus 1 is equal to, here formula application 1 by 1 into 1 1 minus of minus 5. So x by minus 6, y by 11 plus 1 12 is equal to 1 by 6. Therefore x is equal to minus 6 by 6, y is equal to 12 by 6. So x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 2. So what is the C point? Minus 1 comma 2. Now the question is area of the triangle. So area of the triangle is 1 by 2 x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. For the A point, A point is 4 comma 3, which is x1 y1. What is the B point? 2 comma minus 1, x2 y2. What is C point? Minus 1 comma 2, x3 y3. Therefore 1 by 2, x1 means 4 into y2 minus y3. So minus 1 minus 2. Directly I am writing minus 3. Then what is x2? Plus 2 into y2 minus y1. So minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Next x2 into y3 minus y2. 2 minus 3 minus 1 plus x3 is minus 1. y1 minus y2. 3 minus or minus plus 4. Okay, what I have done? x1 is 4 minus 1 minus 2. So minus 3. Then x2 is 2 into y3 minus y1. 2 minus 3 minus 1. Next x3 is minus 1, y1 minus y2. So 3 minus or minus plus. So 1 by 2. This is minus 12, minus 2, minus 4. Everything is negative, no problem. Minus 14, minus 18. So if it is modulus is there, that will become plus. So 1 by 2 into 18, 9. So what is this problem? It is a based on point of intersection. You have to draw a triangle. You have to find A point, B point, C point. Okay, here if you learn this method, it will be very, very easy, sir. Cross multiplication method, most important method. Okay, we will continue next class.